Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with the results of close-up coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing over the course of the last few days. This round may be a little bit easier than the previous one, and for the first time last time, nobody got them all correct. I was victorious. I was a little bit mean though with some of them. So we're going to have a little look at the answers today and also see if anyone managed to guess them all correct. Coin number 1 was the Battle of Britain. Coin number 2 was actually quite a difficult one. It's an Olympic and it is indeed my favourite Olympic coin. It is the Olympic volleyball. Again, for those of you who are new to coin collecting or to refresh your memories, there was 29 different Olympic 50p coin designs released into UK circulation for the London 2012 Olympic Games. Again, all of them released in the previous year, 2011. We move on then to coin number 3, and it is part of the Crowned Royal cipher of Queen Elizabeth II. It was indeed the Platinum Jubilee coin. Coin number 4 is the 1918 representation of the People's Act. The arm there of the woman on the left did make that one a little bit difficult. Unfortunately, I was a bit mean with the last one. I spun it upside down. Another Olympic coin, and it is indeed the weightlifting 50p. Again, another coin from the London 2012 Olympic coin set. High fives all around for the main 5. Norman Graham, Squirreling Coins, Wally Robson, Purple Fairy, and Smithy 7890. A huge shout out to all 5 of you, and Norman Graham, finger on the buzzer with this one. He got this one the fastest. And everyone definitely got it a lot faster than what it would have taken me. There'll be another close-up coins game coming up this evening. And again, I have scheduled this video up, so I will be at work while this one is up. But I should be back around 1 o'clock, hopefully with some nice coin finds from work. Have a great day. Good luck with your coin hunts, everyone. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.